Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. It's July 22nd of 2018 and I want to talk about Kroger digital coupons. So someone asked me a few questions about digital coupons and I figured I could make a video. Everybody can hear it if they want to. Okay, so I'm looking at Kroger's site, but I know Kroger has a lot of affiliates. And some of them probably, have their own site. There's a JC affiliate in my area, but I tell you what, my JC card, I registered right here on Kroger's website, and I use the digital coupons that show up here, and I can use my JC card either at JC or at Kroger, and the digital coupons work just fine. Same thing with my Kroger card. I can use it at Kroger or JC. So if you got more than one store, just keep that in mind. A different chain of stores in your area, your card probably works at both, but you'll have to give it a try. But just keep in mind, use a different telephone number, and if you put a telephone number on your card, and use a different email address when you register it on here so that the computer doesn't get confused, okay, between the two cards. Yeah, that's what I could say about that. So once you've registered your card here on their website, you can get into the digital coupons, just up here under Save and Rewards Digital Coupons. And that's where I'm at right now. Okay, so they have a variety of coupons in here. And I find that with digital coupons, they could have coupons on just about anything in the store, including store brand stuff. So you can end up using coupons on things that you wouldn't, you would never see the coupons come in the Sunday paper, right? Because they're digital. And I find that with other stores as well. They tend to have specialty coupons for that particular store. Oh, and one other thing, when you go over here to, into your account, where it says my account, if you go in there and put your favorite store, the one you shop at the most or whatever, put the address in there and tell it it's your preferred store, because in the app, the Kroger app, it'll tell you what aisle you can find the product in, which is really helpful. And also it'll tell you prices on the things, and I'll show you that here with these coupons. You can do it here on the website, or you can do it in the app. You can see like what products that coupon actually works on, and it comes in really handy. it really does. So let's see. They do some special coupons like these. You get 4 times your fuel points on Visa, MasterCards that you buy, or other gift cards. And some of them have date restrictions on them. So this is like a Friday, Saturday only purchase. So is this one. In order for you to get the extra fuel points, you could just, you have to load the coupon. So right here in this green where it says load to card, you have to click on that in order to activate the coupons, okay? Once you click on them and activate them, they end up over here under my coupons. So then you can look through and see which ones that you've actually clipped. And this promotion has been going on during the summer. Anything I buy Friday, Saturday, or Sunday with my card, I get double fuel points for that. And the fuel points are if your store has a gas station out front, so we got all our Krogers around here have gas stations attached to them. So, some of the JC's stores have them as well. And then you get money off of your gas purchase. So that's what that's for. But see how now these coupons are on the card, and now instead of saying load, they say remove from card. So you could unclip them if you feel like you need to. But just be aware, if the coupons aren't over here forever for you to clip, they have run dates of when they have them. So sometimes you might activate a coupon and for some reason you want to remove it, and I don't know why. But it might disappear and you may not be able to reactivate it. So just be aware of that, okay? Because they just may have pulled it. Because, it might be because, 10,000 people have activated the coupon and that's all they're doing for that particular coupon or something. I don't know. So these are some coupons that I activated, but let's go back over here to the main list. And it's important to look up here at the coupon at the top and see, like on this Tic Tacs, it says click list only offer. And the click list is a service that Kroger provides where you make your list, you submit it online, you put an order in basically and pay for it. And then the store employees pull all the items that you requested, and then you can go and just park in the parking lot, and then they'll bring the stuff to you. I've never done it, but I've talked to somebody who has, and she really likes the service because she doesn't have to do any shopping herself, whichever. But these coupons that say click list only, in order for those to work, you have to use them through the click list order thing. Okay, so just be aware of that. And you can get some good offers there. And they might, sometimes they give away stuff for free, to get people to try it out, okay? And then like this one says Cooking with Jeff Goldblum, so sometimes they run special events like that. Yeah. And then over here with the special event things, you can sort out, which one you want. And it lets you do that on the app too. Or if you want to pick a category, you could just click the box and then it'll like sort out all the baked goods. So you can just focus on looking at what coupons they have on baked goods or baby products or something like that. One of these coupons, I think, see, this Tic Tac doesn't have the restriction. This one will work, for you in the store. If you click right here where it says more, and then actually in the app, if you just click on the coupon in the app, it'll bring it up, and then you just scroll up. It shows you what items that the coupon is valid on. This particular one's kind of funny because it has pie attached to it, private select cherry pie or a private select peach lattice pie. I see coupons like that all the time in here, and that might, if you have a random coupon attached to your item and you're like, I didn't know that I didn't have a coupon for that, this might be why. Every time I get in here and look, I'm always seeing random items attached to coupons like that. So if you bought the cherry pie and you had this activated, I think the coupon would actually take 50 cents off of your pie. All right. And if you read the small print right here on the coupon, one coupon per purchase of product specified. This one doesn't actually say it, but you cannot stack. Okay. Here it is right here. Limit one coupon per household. Digital coupon and paper coupons may not be combined on the purchase of a single item. So that was one of the questions this person asked, and I think a lot of people want to know that. Can I stack a paper coupon with the digital coupon? No. I mean, it's really rare for ones to show up like that. They're doing Friday, Saturday only deals where they, like on this Tostitos right here, where it says it's not going to take $1.49 off. It's going to change the price of the Tostitos to $1.49. That's a special thing. It's a special kind of coupon because it's changing the price physically. And people have said that, well, actually, and I've done it. I did it with something one time. Stacked a manufacturer coupon with it. Okay, so that is like a really rare thing, but that's only on one of these kinds where it's changing the price of the item. It's not subtracting an amount off. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, and then there are these other coupons that work 5 times. Okay, so if you look at this, they're doing an organics event, and an organic event right here. It says organics 5-time event. So let's just sort out all of these organic coupons. So these ones work 5 times, but only in one single transaction. So if you want to use this coupon 5 times on this Black Forest organic gummies, then you can, but you have to buy all 5 of them in the same transaction. Okay, you can't buy 3 of them today and think you're going to come back tomorrow and buy the other 2 and the coupon still be there. It's not going to be. Okay, that's the way it works in my area. If you find out something else is going on with your coupons, then you work with that, because it does, they have to be in the same transaction. And that's what Kroger promotes them as. You can buy 5 in the same transaction. The coupon will subtract, that one in particular, 25 cents off of each bag. Okay. So only the ones that say 5 times on them, the 5X, are the ones that will work 5. You can use them 5 times. For the most part, the majority of the coupons are only going to work 1 time. And another question, do the coupons reset? And no. Like, I use this Listerine coupon. I get to use it 1 time, and that's it. Okay, that's not a 5 times coupon. And then it goes away. Now, they may put the coupon back and you can reactivate it. Okay, that may happen. I have found where there will be 2 identical coupons at the same time. They do digital coupon events, and they'll have these big promotions for them, and they may run for 2 weeks, because a lot of sales at Kroger run 2 weeks at a time, and they'll put the coupon out for the first week, and they'll put the same coupon out the second week, and so you may have 2 identical coupons on, at the same time, and but only one of them will work. Okay. But let's say you had 2 Listerine coupons in here. You could get 2 bottles of Listerine. One coupon will work on one of them. The other coupon would work on the other item. And if, let's say you wanted to buy 2 bottles of Listerine and all you have is this one digital coupon, but you also have a paper manufacturer coupon, and you could pick up 2 bottles of Listerine. The digital coupon would work on one of them. The paper coupon would work on the other bottle. Okay, so you can use them like that, but you're not going to use a paper coupon and a digital coupon on one bottle. Okay, that's just the way that it is. Yeah, so only the ones that say 5 times, and you have to pay attention to those, will work 5 times, and they don't reset unless they want to give the coupons to us again. This was an interesting coupon here, $2 off. So I like to look at what products the coupon actually works on. So when you click on it, so we're $2 off of Johnson's or Aveeno baby product, it says. So if you scroll down here, you can see which products the coupon actually works on. And see, here's a $3.69 bottle of the 15-ounce bottle of Johnson's baby shampoo. It'll take $2 off of that, and you can get that for $1.69. So you can buy this little kit thing here, and it would take $2 off, making it $2.79. So I use it like this all the time. I look in here and see, and if it's on sale, okay, so here's one, this Tresemme is on sale, and this coupon will take $1 off, so here's the sale price. Okay, one thing I do notice, it doesn't take into account mega event price. So if something is part of a mega event where it's like buy 5 participating items, get $5 off instantly, it's not going to reflect the extra $1 off for buying 5, okay? The item's on sale for $4.99, but you can look in the store, okay, if I buy 5 of participating items, I get an extra $1 off, and then the coupon will work on top of that as well. So that's something else to keep in mind. And I'm opening the app up all the time in the store. And so this is really interesting. Here's this $5 Crest White Strip coupon. Says it works on this $2.99 Crest Complete Whitening Plus Scope Fluoride toothpaste. I don't know if it would actually work on that or not. I haven't tried, but I have gotten things for free or with the digital coupons because they had it tagged on to certain items. Just depends. So, and why is this one pulling up Schick razors? I don't know. So there you go. weird things like that go on. I don't know what to say about it. But anyways, I hope that answers some questions about Kroger digital coupons. Yeah, they're a good thing. I'll talk to you guys later.